Okay, one applied question. What is the question? In the given AP 1, 7, 13, 19 and so on 4, 1, 5, we need to prove that the sum of middlemost terms is equal to the sum of first and last terms. Understood? What we need to find out first? We need to find out n. How many terms are there? Number 1, how many terms are there? Number 2, if the number of terms are even, what we need to do? If the number of terms are even, what we need to do? n by 2th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, sum. Then that is equation number 1. Then what we need to do? First and last term sum. Equation number 2. Okay, from equation number 1 and 2, if both are equal, then LHS is equal to RHS. That means nothing but what? We have proved that the middlemost terms sum is equal to the first and last terms sum. Okay, what we need to do first? Firstly, we need to find out n value. We got A, first term. What is the first term here? 1. What is the formula for D? Common difference. A2 minus 7. Second term. First term. What is the value? D is equal to 6. A is equal to 1. Correct? Then what is the last term? AN. AN is equal to 415. Last term. What we need to find out? N is equal to question. There is a formula to find the N, A, D and AN value. What is that formula? AN is equal to bracket n minus 1 into D. Correct? Then what is AN value? 415 is equal to A value 1 plus n minus 1. What is D value? 6. Okay. Plus 1 it will become minus 1. 415 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 415 minus 1, 414 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Into 6 it will become divide. 414 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. 5 remaining 54. 6 nines are 54. 69 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 it will become plus 1. 69 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, what is n value? 70. We got n value 70. Correct? Since n value is even. Correct? If n value is even, there are two middle terms. If n value is odd, there is only one middle term. Correct? Since n value is what? Even. Since n is even, therefore middle terms are what are middle terms here? N divided by 2th term and n divided by 2 plus 1th term. Correct? N by 2 is the middle term. N by 2 plus 1 next term. Since n is even, there are two middle terms. If n is odd, only one middle term. Understood? Okay. Then what is n value here? 70. Correct? 70 divided by 2th term and 70 divided by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, 70 by 2, 35th term. Correct? 35th term and 35 plus 1th term. Therefore, what is 35th term? A 35 is equal to question mark and 35 plus 1, A 36 is equal to question mark. What we need to find out? 35th term and 36th term. These are the two middle terms. Understood? What is A35?
A plus 34D.
Okay, A35 is nothing but what? A plus 34D. A35 is equal to A plus 34D. And A36, sir. A
Plus 35D.
Okay, A plus 35D. One coming. This is equal to what is A value? 1 plus 34 into 6. This is equal to 1 plus 3 6 are 18, 180. 4 6 are 24. 180 plus 24, 204. 204. 204. This is equal to 204 plus 1, 205. This is equal to A is 1 plus 35 into 6. This is equal to 1 plus 3 6 are 18, 180. 5 6 are 30. 180 plus 30, 210. 210 plus 1, 211. Therefore, what are the middle terms here? Sum of middle terms. Now, what we need to find out? Sum of middle terms. Sum of middle terms is equal to, okay, A35 plus A36 is equal to, what is A35? 200? 205 205 plus 211. What is 200 plus? Plus ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 416. Therefore, sum is equal to 416. Question number 1. Then sum of first and last terms. Sum of first and last terms. Sum of first and, what is first term? 1. What is last term?
4 and 5.
Correct. A plus an. First is A, last is an. First is 1, last is 415. Correct. What is the answer? 416. Equation number 2. Sum is equal to 416. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. What we can say? LHS is equal to RHS. That is nothing but what? The sum of middle terms is equal to the sum of first and last terms. Correct? Sum of middle terms is equal to sum of first and last terms. Hence, true. Understood? This is the required solution. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಓಕೆ, ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ 4 terms which are in AP whose sum is 20 and the sum of their squares is 120. Correct? Since we need to find out 4 terms, let the 4 terms are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Correct? ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. Understood? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Correct? The sum is equal to how much? Sum of 4 terms. Sum of 4 terms is equal to 20. How much? 20. Add ಮಾಡೋಣ. A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 20. Minus 3D plus 3D cancel. Minus D plus D cancel. A plus A plus A plus A. 4A is equal to 20. Into 4 will become divide. Therefore, A is equal to 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are. What is the answer here? A is equal to 5. We got A value. We need to find out D value. Correct? Next, sum of squares. Sum of squares. Sum of squares of 4 numbers is equal to 120. Okay, what is the 4 numbers? A minus 3d, A minus d, A plus d, A plus 3d. The sum of squares, sum of squares is equal to 120. The sum of squares is equal to 120. Correct? Okay. Next, we know that a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? A square is nothing but what? A square plus b square. 3 square is 9. D square is d square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a. 2a into b is 3d. 2a into 3d 6ad. ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ರೋ 2ab. 2a is nothing but a only. What is b here? 3d. 3d. 2 into 3 6. A into d 8. Correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab is equal but 2 into a is equal to a into b is equal to what? 3d plus here a square plus d square minus 2 into a into d plus here a square plus d square minus or plus ಯಾಕ a plus b whole square ಐತಿ. a square plus b square plus 2a into d. Next plus a square plus next 3d square is nothing but what? 9d square plus 2 into a into 3d is equal to 120. Correct? Just in ಮಾಡೋಕೆ expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. a plus b whole square a minus b whole square expand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು a square ಬರೆಸೋಣ ನೋಡು 1 2 3 4 a square. Correct? Plus 9d square plus 9d square. How much? 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19 plus 1 plus 20d square. Correct? Next minus 2 3s are 6ad. Next minus 2 into ad 2ad plus 2 into ad 2ad plus 2 3s are 6 into ad 6ad is equal to 120. Plus minus gets cancelled. Correct? What is the value here? 4a square plus 20b square is equal to 120. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದಾ 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ 4 in bracket a square plus 20d 5d square ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ divide throughout by 4 divide by 4 on both sides. Divide by 4 on both sides. Divide by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 4 ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಇದು 1 a square ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿತದೆ plus 20 by 4 5d square is equal to 120 divided by 4 4 3s are 12 1 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30. Correct? Okay. Next, what is a value? 5. A value is 1 5 a square plus 5d square is equal to 30. 5 square is 25 plus 5d square is equal to 30. Plus 25 will become minus 25. Okay, plus 25 minus 5d square is equal to 30 minus 25. 5d square is equal to 5 into 5 will become what? divide. D square is equal to 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. D square is equal to 1. D is equal to under root 1. Root 1 value is 1 only. 1 means what? Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. We got A value 5 and D value 1. Correct? Then again A value 5, D value minus 1. Correct? A value 5, D value 1. A value 5, D value minus 1. What are the values here? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Correct? A plus 3D. Okay, what is A value? 5 minus 3 into 1, 5 minus 1, then 5 plus 1, then 5 plus 3 into 1. 5 minus 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 5 minus 3 is 2, 4, 6, 8. If A is equal to 5, D is equal to minus 1, then what happens? A 5 minus 3 into minus 1. A is 5 minus D is equal to minus 1. Then A is 5 plus D is equal to minus 1. A is 5 plus 3 into D is equal to minus 1. Okay, 5 minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Okay, 5 minus into minus plus 1. Next 5 plus into minus minus 1. Then 5 plus into minus 3 ones are 3. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 1 6. 5 minus 1 4. 5 minus 3 2. Okay, let us cross verify it. Cross verify madana. What they are asking here? The sum of 4 terms. Sum check madana. Estandaru 20 is the answer. Sum madana. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 2 20. Sum okay. Then square. Sum of squares. Sum of squares is equal to 8 8 za 6 6 za 4 4 za 2 2 za. Okay, 64 plus 36 100. 100 plus 20 120. Correct? Sum of squares is 120 and sum is 20. This is the required solution. Right. Exercise number 1.2, fill in the blanks. First question is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, An is equal to question mark. Don't know. What is the formula? An is equal to A plus minus 1 into D. Okay. What is An? Don't know. Okay. An as it is. A value 7 plus N value 8 minus 1. D value 3. Correct? Okay. This is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 7 into 3. This is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21 is equal to 28. What is the answer here? 28. 28 is the answer. The second question is A is equal to minus 18. A is equal to An is equal to formula is same. A plus in bracket N minus 1 into D. This is the first solution. This is the second. An, what is An value here? 0 is equal to what is A value? Minus 18 plus N minus 1. N we know. What is N value? 10 minus 1 into D. Don't know, correct? D Okay, plus minus 18 it will become plus 18 is equal to 10 minus 1 9 into D into 9 it will become divide 18 divided by 9 is equal to D 9 ones are 9 twos are, therefore D is equal to 2. We got D value. Third question. What is third question here? A is equal to question mark, D is equal to Dn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Okay, An, what is An value? Minus 5 is equal to A value, don't know, plus n value 18 minus 1, D value minus 3. If it is minus, you need to take one small bracket. Correct? Okay, minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 17, another bracket minus 3 minus 5 is equal to A plus into minus 17 3s are 51 minus 51 it will become plus 51 minus 5 plus 51 is equal to 51 minus 5 46 is equal to A. Therefore, what is A value? 46 is the answer. 46 is the answer. Next question. A value is? Okay. A value is minus 14 point or 18 point? An is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. What is An value? 3.6. An is 3.6. A value minus 18.9. Okay, n value don't know. Minus, what is D value? 2.5. Correct? Okay. Next, minus 18 here plus is there. Minus 18 plus, sorry, 18.9. It will become what? Plus 18.9. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. By adding all those things, what will you get? 22.5. 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Into 2.5 it will become divide. 22.5 divided by 2.5 is equal to n minus. If you multiply by 10 here, it will become what? 225. Same 10 here, 25. Correct? Okay. Point होने के बाद single number. Point होने के बाद single number. Point cancel. Single number तो point cancel. 25 ones are 25 nines are. Point है तो ಒಂದೊಂದೇ number ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. Point cancel. Okay. Yeah, 9 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to n is equal to 10. We got? Next, fifth question. What is fifth question here? An is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. What is A value? An value? Don't know. Okay, what is A value? 3.5 plus n value? 105. 105 minus 1. What is D value? 0. An is equal to 3.5. 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 102 into 0. An is equal to 3.5. We got 3.5. Correct? Applied question. The question is, if 5 times the fifth term of an AP is equal to 8 times, yes or no? 8 times its 8th term. Its 8th term. Then show that its 19th term, 13th term is 0. Okay. Solution. Look here. 5 times its fifth term. 5 times means what? Multiplication. 5 times means multiplication. 5 times its fifth term. What is fifth term? A5. A5. 5 into A5 is equal to 8 times its 8th term. 8 into A8. Correct? Okay. 5 into, what is the expanded form of A5? A plus 4D. Correct? A plus 4D is equal to 8 into, what is expanded form of A8? A plus 7D. A plus 7D. Okay, 5 into A. 5A plus 5 4s are 20D is equal to 8 into A. 8 7s are 56. Correct? Okay. Then I will bring plus 20D, it will become what? Minus 20D. Plus 8A, it will become what? Minus 8. 5A minus 8A is equal to 56D minus 20D. Okay. 5 minus 8. 8 minus 5 we can do. 5 minus 8 we can't do. So 8 minus 5 is equal to what? 3. Big number symbol is minus. Minus 3A is equal to, this is 36D. Correct? Into minus 3A, it will become what? Divided by minus 3A. A is equal to 36D divided by minus 3. What we got? A value. What is A value here? 36D divided by minus 3. Okay. This is equal to, A is equal to 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. D. Correct? Minus 12D. Minus 12D. What we got? A value, A is equal to minus 12D. A equal to minus 12D. What we need to show? What we need to show? We need to show A13 is equal to 0. A13 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. Understood? A13 को expand करो. What is the expanded form of A13? Okay. A plus 12D. A plus 12D. A13. A plus 12D is equal to how much? 0. What is A value? Minus 12D plus 12D is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Hence proof. Hence showed. Hence proof. Exercise number 1.2, question number 2. That is, choose the correct answer and justify your choice. Correct? Question. What is the question here? 13th term of an AP. 30th term of an AP. Of an AP. 10, 7, 4 and so on. Is correct? What we need to find out? 30th term. 30th term. That means n is equal to 30. N is equal to 30. Okay. Solution. In this AP, what is A value? 10. A is first number, that is 10. What is D formula? What is second number? 7. What is first number? What is the answer? Minus 3. D is equal to. What is N value? 30. What we need to find out? AN is equal to A30. AN or A30. We know the formula. AN is equal to n minus 1 into d. Okay, n is equal to what? 30 is equal to what is a value? 10 plus n is equal to what? 30 minus 1. What is the value? Minus 3. This is equal to 10 plus in bracket 30 minus 1 29 minus 3. This is equal to 10 plus into minus 29 3s are 87. 10 minus 87 minus 37. 30 is equal to minus 77 is the solution. Understood? This is the first question. What is the second question here?
11th term of the AP.
11th term of an AP. Find the 11th term of an AP. Okay, what is the AP here?
Minus 3 minus 1 by 2
Minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 and so on. Correct? Okay. What is A value? Solution. What is A value?
minus 3
Minus 3. What is D value? A2 minus A1. Second term. Minus 1 by 2. Formula is minus here. What is A1 value? Minus 3. Double minus means what? Bracket. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 divided by cross multiplying 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 3s are 6 divided by 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 1 5 divided by 2. D is equal to 5 by 2. What we need to find out? What is n value? N is 11. N is 11. What is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n value? 11 is equal to minus 3 plus in bracket 11 minus 1 into D. D value 5 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. In bracket 5 divided by 2. Correct? Multiplication is there. What is this? Multiplication. 2 ones are 2 5s are. This is equal to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 22. 11 is equal to 22 is the required solution. Next, third question is there? One applied question. What is the question here? The sum of fifth and ninth terms of an AP is 72 and the sum of seventh and 12th terms is 97. Then find arithmetic progression. Understood? Solution. Look here. In the question, the sum of fifth and ninth terms. What is fifth term? A5. What is ninth term? A9. The sum means what? Plus. Equal to. What is the answer? 72. Correct? And next part. The sum of seventh term. What is seventh term? A7. And what is 12th term? A12 is equal to A12 is equal to 97 is the answer. Next, what is A5? Expanded form of A5? A plus 4D plus A plus 8D is equal to 72. And plus is there, na? Okay. A7. What is A7? A plus 6D plus A plus
11D
11D is equal to 97. Then A plus A 2A plus 12D is equal to 72. Then A plus A 2A plus 17D is equal to 97. Consider this one as equation number 1. This one as equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation number 2. 2 ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ಸರ್ 1 ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಡೀತದಲ್ರಿ ನಡೀತದ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 97 is there here 72 is there big number minus small number therefore subtracting 1 from 2 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿ 2 minus 1 gives ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬೇಡ 2 minus 1 gives ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ next what you have to do you have to bring equation number 2 first then equation number 1 what is equation number 2 2A plus 17D is equal to 97 what is the first equation 2A plus 12D is equal to 72 change the symbols or chinas plus 2A minus 2A cancel 17 minus 12 5 is equal to 97 minus 72 25 into 5 it will become what D is equal to 25 divided by 5 ones are 5 D is equal to 5 from equation number 1 put D is equal to okay what is equation number 1 2A plus 12D what is D 5 is equal to 72 2A plus 12 5s are 60 is equal to 70 plus 60 to become what minus 60 then 2A is equal to 72 minus 60 2A is equal to 12 into 2 it will become what 5 A is equal to 12 divided by 2 ones are 6 A is equal to 6 D is equal to 5 next what you need to find out AP then what is the general formula for AP A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma 3D 4D 5D and so on correct this is the general formula of AP we got A value what is A value 6 comma 6 plus D value 5 comma 6 plus 2 into 5 and so on 6 comma 6 plus 5 11 comma 2 5s are 10 plus 6 16 and so on this is the required answer understood the third main find the missing terms of the following sequences correct the first question is 2 comma box comma 26 क्या है 2 है box है 26 if they have given 3 terms then you need to take what arithmetic mean A B and C correct A B C if they are given only 3 boxes or 3 terms for that you will be having one formula what is the formula here B is equal to A plus C divided by 2 this is equal to what is A value 2 plus 26 2 plus 26 divided by 2 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14 what is the box value 14 this formula is applicable only for 3 terms more than 3 terms this will not be applied understood next second question is box 13 box and 3 look here I will take this one as A1 this one as A2 A3 A4 A1 A2 A3 A4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು look here What they have given? A2 value. What is A2 value? Second solution. This is second solution. What is A2 value? 13. And what is A4 value? A4 value is 3. A2 formula, expanded form. A plus D is equal to 13. A4, A plus 3D is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Correct? 1 minus 2 gives. 1 minus 2 gives. A minus A plus D is equal to 13. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Then change the chinnas. Correct? Okay. Plus A minus A cancel. Minus 3D plus 1D. Minus 3D plus 1D minus 2D is equal to 13 minus 3 10. 13 minus 3 is 10. Next, into minus 2, it will become what? Divided by minus 2. D is equal to 10 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. D is equal to minus 5. We got D value. We need to put D value in equation number 1 to get A value. To get A value, put D is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus D. What is D value? Minus 5. A plus minus 5 is equal to 13. 13. Okay, minus 5 it will become what? Plus. A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 18. We got first term and common difference. What is the first term value then? What is first term here? 18. कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 18. 18 के अंदर 5 निकालो. क्यों बोले तो? What is D value? Minus 5. D is minus 5. If you remove minus 5 from 8, what will you get? 13. Then minus 5 from 13. 8. 8 minus 5. 3. Correct? We got A1. What we need to find out? A3. A3. In A3. A3 is equal to expanded form A plus 2D. What is A? 18 plus 2. What is D? Minus 5. 18 plus into minus 2 5s are 18 minus 10 8. Then what is the value in third box? 8. The value in third number or third box is 8. 8. Understood? ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? Question is A1 is equal to 5. A2 is equal to box. A3 is equal to box. A4 is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. Which all they given, you need to remember that. कौन से दिए वो माइंड में रख लो. कौन से दिए उन्हों? A1 दिए, A4 दिए, बाजू लिख लो. A1 कितना है? 5. A4 कितना है? 9 integer 1 by. A1 is equal to 5 and A4 is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. Correct? Understood? Then A1 is nothing but what? A only. A1 is nothing but what? A only. Why? We got A value. Understood? A4 expanded form. A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2 can be written as 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19 divided by 2. We got A value. What is A value? 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 divided by 2 plus 5 to become what? Minus 3D is equal to 19 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 1. Cross multiplying 3d is equal to 19 ones are 19 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 2 ones are 2. 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 9 divided by 2 into 3. It will become what? Divided by 3. D is equal to 9 divided by 2 into 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. D is equal to 3 divided by 2. We got D value. What we got? D value. We know A1. We know A4. What we need to find out? A2 A3. क्या क्या फाइंड आउट करना? A2 A3 दो फाइंड आउट करना है इधर. A2 का फॉर्मूला इधर लिखता हूँ देखो. A2 is equal to A plus D. Correct? This is equal to what is A value? 5 plus what is D value? 3 divided by 2. Okay, cross multiply. 5 2s are 3 1s are 2 1s are 10 plus 3 divided by 2. This can be written as 6 integer 1 by 2. Yes or no? 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 divided by 2 can be written as 6 integer 1 by 2. It is A2. Then what you need to find out? A3. Yes or no? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. This is equal to what is A value? 5 plus 2. What is D value? 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 3 8. What we got? 6 integer 1 by 2. Then 8. इधर क्या मिलेगा आपको? 6 integer 1 by 2. इधर क्या मिलेगा? 8 is the answer. Understood? Rita? यार रुको ठीक है. कौन लिख लिख लो. Okay. One applied question. What is the question here? The 19th term of an AP is equal to 3 times its sixth term. Then and its ninth term is 19. Correct? Find the AP. Okay, in such conditions you need to write what are the given things. If that is correct, then the solution will be correct. What are the given things here? क्या क्या दिए उन्होंने येनेन कोटिदार ಅವರು. First they have given that the 19th term is equal to something. The 19th term is equal to something. How do you write 19th term? Okay, A19. 19th term is A19. A19 is equal to something. What is that something? 3 times. Times means into. 3 times. 3 into. Then sixth term. Sixth term means A6. A6. Correct? And they have given another condition. What is that condition? Its ninth term is 19. Ninth term is 19. Okay, ninth term can be written as A9 is equal to 19. A9 is equal to 9. Understood? Then we need to expand it. After expanding, A19 can be written as A plus 18D is equal to 3 into bracket A plus 5D. Bracket ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Bracket ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ wrong. Then here A9 can be written as A plus 8D is equal to 19. This is equation number 1. Correct? Okay. Then A plus 18D is equal to 3 into A, 3A. 3 5s are 15D. Plus 15D will become what? Minus. Plus 8 will become what? Minus A. 18D minus क्या आ गया इधर? 15D आ गया. This is equal to 3A as it is रहेगा. ये इधर आएगा. प्लस रहे सो माइनस हो जाएगा. 18 minus 15 will be 3D is equal to 3A minus A will be 2A into 2 it will become what? Divided by 3D divided by 2 is equal to A. What we got? A value 3D divided by equation number bad. Okay, in bad. From equation number 1 put A value. What is A value? 3D divided by 2. You have to put that A value from equation number okay. A plus what is A value? From equation number 1 A value is 3D divided by 2 plus 8D divided by 1 is equal to 90. बड़ी बहुधा लिख सकते हैं A value हाकोದು. What is A value? 3D divided by 2. Then LCM 3 1s are 3D plus 8 2s are 16D divided by 2 1s are 2 is equal to okay 3D plus 16D 19D divided by 2 is equal to 19. Division 2 it will become what? Multiplication. 19D is equal to 19 into 2 into 19 into it will become what? Divided by 19. D is equal to 19 into 2 divided by 19. 19 cancel. D is equal to 2. Put this value in equation number equation number 2. Put D का value in equation number 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 के अंदर D वैल्यू डालेंगे. बाद में क्या हो जाएगा? A मिलेगा आपको. ओके, व्हाट इज A हियर? व्हाट इज A? A इज इक्वल टू 3D डिवाइडेड बाय 2. D कितना है? 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 2 to cancel. A is equal to 3. We got A value and D is equal to 2. What we need to write? AP. AP general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 बढ़ता correct? 3 बस. What is A value? 3, comma 3 plus D value 2, 3 plus 2 into 2 and so on. 3, comma 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 to 2 is 7. Okay. This is the required solution. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and half 7 and half. Okay. 8. Given A1 value. What is A1 here? Minus 4. A2 don't know. A3 don't know. A4 don't know. A5 don't know. A6 is equal to 6. A1 is equal to minus 4. A6 is equal to 6. A1 is equal to minus 4. A6 is equal to 6. A1 is nothing but what? A only. A is equal to minus 4. We got directly A value. A6 can written as A plus 5D is equal to 6. A is minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. Minus 4 it will become what? Plus 4. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 5D is equal to 10 into 5. It will become what? Divided by. D is equal to 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D is equal to 2. We got D value and we got A value. What we need to find out? A2, A3, A4, A5. 4 find out करना इधर में. ओके, चारों लिखता हूँ देखो यहाँ पे. A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to A value minus 4 plus D value is 2. Then minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to A is minus 4 plus 2 into 2. This is equal to minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Answer will be 0. A3. Then A4 is equal to what is the value? A plus 3D. A is minus 2 plus 3 into D is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 6. Okay. What is the answer?
2.
6 minus 4, 2. A4. Then what we need to find out? A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is minus 4 plus 4 into D is 2 minus 4 plus 8. What is the answer? 4. A5 is equal to 4. This is the required solution for the fourth question. Understood? Right. One applied question, important question. What is the question here? In an AP, seventh term is 1 by 9 and ninth term is 1 by 7. Find 63rd term. एक अपर find 63rd term. Important question. Look here. What they have given. We need to find out the given thing. क्या दिए उन्होंने? देखो यहाँ. Solution. Read out the question. The seventh term is 1 by 9. Seventh term hang बरतिया A plus A7 is equal to 1 divided by 9. A7 can be expanded as A plus 6D is equal to equation number 10. And in another equation, that is A9 is nothing but what? Is equal to 1 divided by 7. A9 can be written as A plus AT is equal to 1 by 7. Equation number 2. Correct? Okay. Then from equation number 1 and 2, 2 minus 1 gives, because here 8D is there, here 6D is there. Sir, 1 minus 2 marking madu, no problem. Same bರ್ತದೆ answer. 1 minus 2 ಅರೆ ಮಾಡು, 2 minus 1 ಅರೆ ಮಾಡು, answer same ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
2 minus 1.
Okay, 2 minus 1 gives. Okay, what is 2 value? A plus 8D is equal to 1 divided by 7. Then A plus 6D is equal to 1 divided by 9. Change the chinnas. Plus minus cancel. 8D minus 6D 2D is equal to 1 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 9. Correct? 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. Next, what we need to do? Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Understood? Then 2D is equal to 2D is equal to सब तो मतलब ना 2D is equal to 9 ones are 9, 7 ones are 9 sevens are 63. Correct? Cross multiplication. So they can multiply, they can multiply. Then 2D is equal to 2 divided by 63 into 2. It will become what? Divided by 2. D is equal to 2 divided by 63 into 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. D value is 1 divided by 63. We got D value. What we need to find out? 63rd term. Correct? Before that, what we need to find out? A value. क्या फाइंड करना अभी? A value. Equation number 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation number 1 ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು. equation 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ. 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು 2 ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ. Okay? Next, from equation number 2. From equation number 2. What is equation number 2? A plus 8D. D, what is D? 1 divided by 63 is equal to 1 divided by 7. Correct? This is the second equation. A plus 8D. Then A plus 8 ones are 8 divided by 63 is equal to 1 divided by 7. Plus it will become what? Minus. A is equal to 1 divided by 7 minus 8 divided by 63. A is equal to 7 and 63 LCM. Cross multiply ಮಾಡು. 63 ones are 63. 8 sevens are 56. ಹೌದಾ 54 ಆಯ 56 ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬೇಡ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೇಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡು LCM ಟೇಕ್ LCM this is equal to what is LCM value 63 7 8s are 67 7 9s are 7 9s are 7 9s are 63 63 1s are 63 correct 7 9s are 63 63 1s are 63 9 1s are 9 minus 8 1s are 8 what is A value 9 minus 8 is 1 divided by 63 A is 1 by 63 D is 1 by 63 A कितना मिला 1 by 63 D कितना मिला 1 by 63 then what we need to find out A 63 value ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಂತ A 63 A 63 is equal to A plus 62 D A plus 63rd term or 64th term 63rd this is equal to what is A value 1 divided by 63 plus 62 into D value 1 divided by 63 this is 63 LCM is 63 only okay 1 plus 62 ones are 62 plus 1 63 divided by 63 cancel answer is therefore A 63 is equal to 1 correct right